Farmer and the Stork. A short moral story. A hard-working farmer had a problem. Birds were stealing seeds from his freshly planted fields. To protect his crops, he set up a large net as a trap. One morning, he checked the net and found several noisy crows caught inside. But to his surprise, a beautiful stork was trapped among them. "Please let me go," the stork pleaded. "I'm not like the crows. I didn't mean to steal. I was just flying with them. I'm kind and helpful, not a thief." The farmer looked at the stork. "You may speak gently, but you were with the crows. I made the trap to catch all who take what isn't theirs." Despite the stork's protests, the farmer did not let him go. The stork flew with the wrong company, and faced the same fate. The stork learned a hard lesson that day. Moral: choose your company wisely. Being with the wrong crowd can bring you trouble, even if you've done no wrong. Thank you for watching.